Wait a minute. Okay. Hi everyone, it's Leonor Gomez here with another video for YouTube. Sorry I was MIA. I had a few little issues this week, but I'm back full force, full force. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, it's not. I'm doing too much. Now, I am here to talk about the SSM Facebook group and what are you going to expect when you join the group. What do you need to do when you join the group? Where do you need to go? What is the first thing, the second thing, or stuff like that? So I am going to share my screen. There you go. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so this right here is the Facebook group. This right here is called Successful Solution Method. So this is where you're going to go when you join the Successful Solution Method platform. I already explained a little bit of, well, I haven't, but I'm gonna explain a little bit of what this is, okay? Now, when you join this opportunity, which is amazing, by the way, you are going to be either before or after you're going to be added to this group. Now, this group, what it is for, is a community that we make sure that we keep each other motivated, on top of everyone, welcome everyone, etc., etc., etc. Now, when you join in or when you're added, you have to go to this specific post. Now, it could be that someone added you and they can tag you. You see there's a bunch of tags here. So this post right here is going to explain every single thing you need to do. This right here is going to explain every single thing you need to do. Making myself clear. So this is where you need to be starting. So that way, if you have more questions, at least you have this information here that can help you sort out the questions that you do have. Because sometimes people ask the questions that are already here, okay? Now, I'm gonna go back to the actual, wait, no. Oop, I clicked something wrong. Yeah, I clicked something wrong. You know what? I am so funny. Okay, discussion. Jesus, where am I going? Okay, there you go. Now, where am I? Okay, let me just go. Yeah, technical issues. Sorry. Right here it's supposed to come up. My computer decided to be funny. But right here is supposed to have different posts where you're gonna welcome people. People are gonna welcome you for being in the group and things like that. For some reason, it's not coming up, which is weird. Why is it not coming up? Let me see if I can refresh it. Okay, let me see if I can reload it because for some reason it's not coming up. So sorry, this video is not gonna be edited. So whatever comes out, okay? I'm trying to be too much. Let me see if it comes up because my computer for some reason is getting a bit slow. Maybe my computer needs coffee. Have anybody thought about that? Can you give coffee to a computer? Listen, if I could, I would. Okay, so, okay, now it's coming up, thank God. It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay. So you're going to find a lot of people welcoming people to the group, a lot of people doing all of that, but you also going to see a lot of testimonials. What is this for? So you can know that everyone that comes into this platform, this program, is getting results. My results are here. I just need to find them because they're all over the place. But my results are here. Let me see if I can just, let me see if I could just find, let me see, Leonor Gomez, which is me. Let me see. Okay, let me see if the results come up. Bear with me because this computer is for some reason getting on my nerves. It's getting on my nerves. But okay, here you go. I'm gonna find my, I'm gonna try to find my post. I'm gonna find my post. I'm trying to find my post, but for some reason the computer is up. It took me out. Like I said on the last video, this is my page. That's me. That is me. That is me. Oh Lord. Okay. For some reason it knocked me out, but I'm gonna try one more time. I'm going to try one more time. For some reason, it doesn't want to work today. I'm gonna try one more time. Hi, mommy. Okay. Hopefully it works this time. Hi. Listen, technical things with computers happen, okay? Computers can get on your nerve because I don't know, they have a brain of their own, I guess. I'm guessing, like they have a issue of their own. So they decide when they wanna do what they need to do, okay? So there's gonna be take two. Trying to show the group. Okay. Okay, so again. I don't know if I could find my post because my post is way over there. But anyway, this right here is different posts, different people having results and all of that good stuff. For some reason, my computer does not want to do this. Okay, let me try a different approach because for some reason it's not letting me. Okay, so these are all, if I'm not mistaken, okay, these are all the posts, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these are all, but it's not showing the names. But anyway, you have an idea of the posts, people posting their results. Let me see if I can see who's this one. You see, this one is one post from someone. Let me see if it opens because for some reason it's not open. Okay, so this is one of the team members. She made the $500. She's gonna have that payout on the way. So you're gonna see a lot of these type of post, you're gonna see a lot of these. Let me see who else. Let me see if I can find a bigger payout from someone. Let me see. There's a lot. There's a lot of payouts. I'm gonna try to see one of the. Okay, I think I saw it. Okay, this one right here. One of the team members make this amount of money. Now, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Yeah, that's a lot. So this is what I wanted to show. For some reason, it didn't let me do it like I wanted to do it. It didn't let me run through the group like I wanted to do it because my computer decided to be funny, to act funny. Yeah, my computer decided to act funny and not do what it needed to do at all. So this is what the group is about. I am so sorry because I thought it was gonna be a better video, that it was gonna come out clearer, and that I was gonna be able to explain completely what I was trying to come across. But for some reason, it didn't work out. So again, this is the group you're gonna be added to either before or after you come in to Successful Solution Method. Why? Because you get all the information you need in here before you join, and after you join, you have to do certain things in here. Certain tasks need to be done in this group, because remember, it is a tasks-based business. Yep, you need to complete tasks in order to see results. So it says it right here. So it says approaching traffic a new way that works. Let's complete tasks and earn together. So that's the group where you're supposed to be in. So with that being said, let me go back to my beautiful face over here. Since my screen sharing was a fiasco, okay, I'm sorry. I need to do better when it comes to do these type of videos and the camera sharing and all that stuff. I have no idea how it works. But anyway, anywho, I promise that the next video is going to be much better. I'm going to try to practice before I do it, which I should have done, right? I should have done that. I should have practiced. But anyway, I just wanted to give a little quick glimpse of the Facebook group so you know what to expect, what to do, where to go. And I will leave in the comments, well, in the box section, I will leave the information for the group, for the webinar for next week. And if you want to know more information about the program, I'm going to leave my link below and my Facebook as well, my personal Facebook, so you can see it's me, Leonor Gomez. So you can just go to my Facebook, follow me, send me a friend request, send me a message if you need to, so that way I can explain more further into detail if you need more information, if that makes sense. So this will be all for today. I hope me sharing the group and sharing where you need to go first after you join the group helps a little bit. Sorry that it didn't let me show more of the testimonials like I wanted to. For some reason my computer did not let it happen. So I just want to apologize in advance, but I'll be doing more videos about the group and about the program. The next video I'm going to do, God willing, is going to be about the back office. So what to expect in the back office, what do you get when you join, depending on where do you join, and things like that. So again, my name is Leonor Gomez. If you like this video, even though it was a little bit sketchy, a little bit messed up, and my kids decided to scream at the end of the video, which if that didn't happen, then it would have been real. It would have been real. No, it would, they had to do that at the end of the video. Subscribe, like this video. Even if you don't like it, that's fine. You can just, give me your comments below. What else would you want to see? So I can continue to make more videos trying to inform everyone that needs all the information they can get about a home-based business. Because that's what I'm here for. I just want to try to help. And I promise my videos are going to get better. I promise. I promise. They're going to get much better. I need more practice. I need to do one each day. Yeah, they're supposed to be 5 per week. So I need to get to the stepping. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe and like and share and dislike, whatever you want to do. Leave the comments below if you have any questions. Like I said, I'm going to leave all my information on the information box so you can check everything out yourself. Take care. Peace out, everyone.